Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a add card button on your Google sites. So here you can see I have already added a add card button here that is actually responsive. Let me show you. If I click on this add card button, then it will just show me the product that can be added to my cart. So you can just delete that any product from here. Now let me show you how you can add this button. So you just need to go to the romancard.com, where you just need to sign up for free. Actually, you just need to enter your name and the email address and you're good to go. By click on this start selling button here, and then you will find the home dashboard where, and actually you will get the login credentials like your shop ID or store ID and your username and password in your email that you have used for sign up on Roman card. So you have to enter all the login credentials and you can just easily log into your home dashboard, where you will find the manage option here, and you just need to click on products, and where you will find this type of interface where you can just add the products from here by tap on this add a new product button. So you can just tap on it. Now I'm going to add the product here. So graphics card, I'm going to go for this graphics card product on my website. So select items for sale, the item code like product 2, and I'm going to enter the item name here. Then I'm going to add the amount, and again the amount, and and more details here. You can just complete these boxes here. Now tap on save. Don't forget to save. Tap on the save button to save the changes here. Now tap on show code here, and here you can find the URL. So copy the URL and go to your website, and here you can see I have just downloaded a button here. You can just search in Google and search for the buttons that you will find different types of various type of shop now or add to cart button for free. This is actually the image, so you just need to copy that image. I'm going to copy it here, and I'm going to link this. Let me show you. Sure, I'm going to delete the link from that image. So this is actually an image. You can add an image by tap on this image here. Now tap on click on this upload button, and you can just upload any image from your device. So then you can just tap on click on this link button here. After that, you can just paste that link URL that I have just pasted, that I have just copied it from the Roman card right just earlier. Now tap on this apply button here. Now it is ready to work, and it is now responsive button, and it will help people to add to this graphics card to their cart. If they want to buy it, then they will find a checkout page. Now click on this publish button. Don't forget to publish your website to save the changes. Now I have just published my website. Now I'm going to visit my latest published sites here. Now here you can see I have just added a button, and if I click on that button, it will redirect me to the Roman card checkout page, where you can just get the details about the product here. So that's how you can just easily create a add to cart button on your web page that I have created, that has been created by the Google sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.